Cashapp glitch. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna discuss the recent ongoing Cashapp glitch. So in this ongoing glitch in 2023, where the people the users are logging into their bank account and seeing a negative balance, it can be one of the most stressful thing. In the June 2023, a glitch resulted in multiple double charges for Cashapp holders, with which Cashapp has replied on a tweet. It says that we recently discovered technical issues that causing some customers to get their charges double the amount of their transaction. We'll notify the customer who were impacted and they will refund the duplicated charges that were resulted from this issue. Cashapp eventually releases a statement acknowledging the issue and vowed to refund any double charges. On September, again this took place, and the worst, as people tried to scan QR code through Cashapp, the $1 million following another glitch. It happened once again, wherein Cashapp also replied that some customers may be experiencing issues sending payments, purchasing cash card, and accessing their features. Our team is actively working on to fix it. So it has been twice this year that the Cashapp has crashed and there has been glitches recorded. So this is basically what ongoing Cashapp glitch is. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.